Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at YFI or YEARN Finance, currently at the $8,600 level at the time of recording. We are ranked 167 with a market cap of about $289 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $59 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YEARN Finance or YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So in the last 24 hours, we are up 2.5%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart. And so we're on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source. So we have been saying this for YFI that we still expect another push even to the upside, right? A lot of people might disagree. Have been seeing a lot of people's comment, oh no, YFI won't move. Remember, that was the same thing that happened in the past. We are still bullish, right? We were buying YFI right here at the $5,000. We rode that push even to the $15,000, almost a 200 plus percent to the upside right here for YFI. Currently, we have seen that push even to the downside, but we have been seeing that so far prices are still holding this 200 EMA. Expect a bounce into this $12,000 level, right? We could see that bounce. We need to see that bounce. That is the way price action works, right? That the moment we are holding this level, which is the 200 EMA level, expect that bounce first to the $10,000 level, then next to the $12,000 level. We remain bullish and we are expecting higher right here for YFI, right? So this is the best time to accumulate, even though we are not seeing lots of interest right here in the volume profile. As you can see, we saw this huge buy volume coming in. We need to see the bulls coming with a lot of buy volume coming in right here to take us out of these neutral level. This level is basically neutral on the volume time frame, so we cannot see as regards if we are biased as regards the bulls and the bears. So basically we are just basing this analysis based on price action alone, and price action says we are bullish and we should expect prices to be at that $10,000 level minimum, right, which is a 15% pump, and we are expecting for December another 41% push to the upside right here for YFI. So YFI still remain bullish and we are still bullish and we are still expecting higher, right? So that is the update right here for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.